Hi, David Odell here with OdellCompleteConcrete. We're on a job site. We're doing artificial turf, poured in place raised concrete curbs. They're retaining, they're in the front yard. We're going to be doing artificial turf right here with underground drains underneath the turf. It's going to be pet friendly type turf. And but the main purpose of this video is these tapes. I got a bunch of these from Milwaukee and I'm going to give them away. I'm going to give 5 of these away and they're feeling pretty good. I got one right here, and here's the beauty of it. I think they've been watching my tapes an awful lot. Look at the name here, stud. It's a common word I use in a lot of my comments. So yeah, they must have been watching me for a while now, I'd say. They came up with that. Very fitting, isn't it? It seems pretty nice. I don't know, I just opened this up today, but you got a nice little finger stop here, so you don't have to worry about using this locking mechanism that always seem to get jammed. You can just use your finger to stop it, which is a nice little touch. These things are supposed to be really good. They're supposed to be impact resistant up to 80 feet. So that's about, what, 6 stories? So that's kind of nice. And then let's check out the standout. How far can you reach before it bends? It says 10 feet on the package, but let's try it. Okay, I'm at 9 feet right there. Let me see. Let's try this again. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get 10. It doesn't look like. I think I'm gonna get 9, but let's see. Okay, I'm at 9 right there. That's it. 9 feet. I can't get no 10. That's for sure. But that's besides the point. The main thing is they're gonna be free. You get 10 of them, and they're really nice. They got some kind of a coating on these tapes, so really abrasive resistant, scratch resistant. Feels pretty comfortable, lightweight, and let's see what happens. Oh, it just took a little fall there.
No damage to it?
Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's okay. Let's try this again. Yeah. Still working. Impact resistance to 80 feet, huh? Let's find out. Let's take it out on yeah, survives the 80-foot drop. Lifetime warranty. Wow. That's kind of nice. Let's go throw it up and land it on concrete, see what happens. That's going to be kind of interesting.
This will be the true durability
I know
test.
most tapes are going to just come apart. Let's see if this can do it.
Maybe on the asphalt so we don't damage our driveway.
This driveway's old.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be replacing this.
Yeah, this is phase 2. This driveway's coming out anyway, but let's toss this up, see what happens. Wow. That was only like 15 feet, but still working. What's something, this finger stop is kind of creating a weak link in it, I think. Because you can't get a screw in right here. Well, let's see if everything's still functioning though. Yeah. See how easy it is to clip. Easy enough. Easy on and off. Alright, well, anybody that comments to this video will automatically get entered into the giveaway. Giving away 5 of these. What is the value of these anyway?
They're like $30 a piece.
Yeah, they're about 30 bucks, I guess, $25, $30 a piece, but we'll just give 5 away and we'll just randomly select the winner. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. All right, we're back here about 3 hours later, and this is the measuring tape we didn't drop on the concrete. I just want to examine this, the minor opening we had on the other one. If you take a look at this one, it hasn't been dropped on concrete. If you pull right here, it does separate a little bit. Designed to do that, it looks like, for flexibility to, you know, take those large impacts. Anyway, all in all, so far it's been good on this job. It's lightweight too. You don't really notice it's hanging on your belt. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna use it. I mean, the true test is time, but we'll see how long it lasts for me. And we'll keep you up to date. Thanks.